In the southeastern part of Ireland, you will find the Wicklow Mountains. Now, I have explored this area quite a bit, but few people know that these mountains hide a secret place that I would say is one of the most romantic places in the country. If you hike the peak of Tonlagee, which ironically in Irish is anything but romantic and means, well, the backside of the wind, you will come across a hidden lake called Loch Oller. The trek up to the lake is not very easy, but there are two main routes that will get you up there. There is a harder, steeper route and a less steep but much longer route. Once you have made it up the mountain, you will be rewarded with the sight of a lake in the shape of a love heart. My adventure started at the parking lot at the Glenmacnass waterfall. However, I soon discovered that this side was quite flooded and hard to trek up, despite supposedly being the easier climb. You need to cross the river and then follow the signs up to the top. You can follow the little river path also up. There is supposed to be a trail there, but it's hard to follow, so be sure to know where you're going, take a GPS and a map. I decided against going forward. I sank into the bog several times and almost lost a shoe. So I got back to the car. I drove around to the Wicklow Gap where I parked, crossed the road and started climbing up the steeper part. This was a steep climb and I struggled up. It took me over an hour just to climb to the top. I'd say maybe an hour and a half. And then I stopped there to rest and recover and have a snack. The views from here are already amazing, and I expected to find the lake on the top, but no. I had to walk across a field to find the top of the lake. It's really hidden. Now, the lake was formed in the last ice age when the glacier ice melted and dug out the lake. How it happened to be in the shape of a love heart, well, that's up for you to decide. The glaciers melted down the side that I first attempted to climb up from, and formed the moraine, which is that valley trail down the side of the hill, and that river drains the lake so that it doesn't overflow. This makes for some epic photo opportunities from a bird's eye point of view. Please note that there are no facilities on either trail. Be prepared. Take plenty of water, food, backup power for your devices, wear the proper footwear, and, of course, take waterproof clothes. After all, this is Ireland, and it can rain at the drop of a hat, even on a beautiful sunny day. Lake Oller is also known as a spot for many marriage proposals. With such a stunning backdrop, this is certainly an amazing place to propose for an adventurous couple. It took me about 5 hours to complete the loop, hiking up, spending some time there, and then hiking back down to the car park. Going down wasn't much easier than going up because the ground was pretty wet and it was hard to find a trail. Note that there are no beaten paths or trail markers here. You need to find the best way up on your own and then the best way down again. But the advantage is you can see the peak going up and the car park going down to help you navigate. I just wanted to share this amazing experience and this adventure with you in this short video. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comments. If you've been there, let me know your adventure. I love reading your comments. If you enjoyed the video, please click on that like button to let me know, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, if you want to see another adventure in the Wicklow Mountains, this is the video to watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you over there.